Hello and welcome back to Java Lessons. I guess should we do the and more with Evan Ganshore since I did magic last time? Anyway, we're kind of turning over a new unit here. Hold on, let me find my place. So I am using a book that I used to learn Java to help me in these lessons. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We need to import our scanner object, so we're gonna type that as our first line, import space java dot util dot, and the dots are periods, scanner with a capital S. All the rest are lowercase, then a semicolon. Then we're going to leave our public class test as we have it. And again, you can go over to the YouTube channel. If you search up Evan Ganshore, you should be able to find my YouTube. We don't need anything in between the public class and public static void main this time. We're going to implement, I think we've done this before, but just in case, use the word final to kind of keep something the same. So final space int, which would be a final integer, so int. And for this, we're going to say, I know some people say the legal age is 21, but for this purpose, we'll just call it legal age, and we're going to say it's 18. So final int with space in between final and int, and then space legal age. I don't believe it has to be all caps, but I think that that is a programming convention. But equals 18 and then semicolon. And then we're going to generate our scanner object. So scanner with a capital S again. I like to call it Scanny, but you can call it whatever you'd like. So scanner space, whatever you want to call it, equals sign, new space, scanner, and then in parentheses, next to that, you type system with a capital S, dot in parenthesis to close it up, and then semicolon. And then we're gonna say, we're gonna kind of declare a new integer here, which is gonna be your age. And so int space your age is equal to scanny. Okay, just double checking. Scanny dot next int has a capital I. If I don't say something has a capital, then it's lowercase. So everything else is lowercase. Open parenthesis, close parenthesis, semicolon. So basically it's just going to be waiting for you to type in your age. And then the new concept, let me delete this stuff because we don't need it. So the new concept comes in here. It's called an if statement, which is like if it's not raining, then we will have a picnic. So similarly, like if you were to say that to someone, so if it's raining, then you wouldn't have a picnic and blah, blah, blah. So in this case, if, you just type the word if, then an open parenthesis, just convention again, your age is less than legal age. So you would just type the less than sign, but it's kind of like if you, basically the example I'm going to use here, and we do not need curly braces because it's just a single line underneath it, but we'll get into more fancy programming a little later. So if your age is less than legal age, Um, we're going to system.out.print. So system.out.print system as capital S, and then legal age is all caps, remember that. Open parenthesis, double quotes to start our quotation here. And we're going to say, so if you are under the legal age, you are not able to vote in the United States. But it just says you are not able to vote. Just, yeah. Anyway, it's just an example. So we're gonna build this, compile it, hopefully get no errors. I don't think we should. It's a pretty basic program. And then we're gonna run it. And it's just waiting right now for me to type in an age. You can print out a statement beforehand, but I didn't to save a little time. So if you're 17, we should get that printout. You are not able to vote. So it's like if you were to walk up to a poll and they were to say, how old are you? And you were to say 17, they would respond, you are not able to vote. And that's the purpose of the if statement. So if your age is less than the legal age, then it's going to print out this thing below it. And in the future, it doesn't hurt, you can enclose it in those curly braces that I started to type. So just hold on and we'll get to that. But I just want to show you that, let's say you are 22 years old. No problem. They'll let you vote. And then also just want to show you that if you enter the exact age of 18, since you didn't say less than or equal to 18, then yes, again, no problem. You can pass through and vote or open, yeah, they'll open the door. I don't know. Anyway, you get the gist, I hope. If you have any questions, let me know. Hope you're continuing to learn something, and hopefully we'll have another Java lesson for you here soon. These if statements can be kind of fun. I mean, you can think of lots of applications, like for a video game. You can have your character choose, if it's rainy, don't go to picnic. Anyway, anyway, thank you for watching. Happy to hear your feedback, and again, hopefully we'll have another lesson for you soon.